stand with you. Sige na.
Yula. Yula! 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 Uy, di, uy, 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 Short nail yun, is nakuan.
Good morning, Scouters! Good morning, Scouters! Maupay nga aga atong tanan to our scouts, dedicated leaders, respected teachers, and supported parents na aniya na. Today we gather not just a program but for a celebration of Scouting spirit, a movement that shapes character, molds leaders, and inspires service to others. With hearts filled with excitement and unity, I now formally call this Scouting Assembly to order. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to please rise as we honor our country. Let us sing our pambansang awit led by Miss Catherine F. Salamida, a grade 1 teacher.